Alright guys, it's day 6 of my data analysis class. So fit check real quick. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm sending love to everyone who has been supporting me. Alright, I'm in class already. We skipped XLOOKUP in the last class, so we're picking up from there today. This searches value in one column and returns a matching value in another column. We tried an example using the syntax and use F4 to lock our value so the table doesn't move when we drag down. We also rectified a common error of a similarity between 0 and O. Unlike HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, where it's impossible to find a value behind or above the lookup value, XLOOKUP can find the value anywhere, even in another sheet. Next, we look at the mid function, which is used in extracting characters from the middle of the string. This is also a text function like the left and right function. Then finally on functions today, we're looking at the aggregation functions. At this point, I had to put man on my head because I am tired. Functions not too plenty. Anyways, this covers count ifs, sum ifs, average ifs, and that's pretty much it. Class was over, we're given assignments, but I and my colleague stayed back to ask our instructor more details about data analysis. While every other person was busy with Valentine, love and all that, Asha went to look for my urgent 2K. Alpha Planners was literally sold out. Anyways, I partied, I met my friend. This guy was the guy that handed over to me as CDS president when I was in my NYSC. Also met some other old friends from my secondary school. Shout out to Smash Hands. While my boss was busy trying to run around, delivering surprises and, all the Valentine's rare, I was here trying to coordinate, patronize the brand because check out the review, why not Alpha Planners? So I literally touched down Madison by Sankey, we touched down Brisa, finally KS Bistro. Anyways, that was it for the day. See you on my next post. Peace.